Welcome to Reputation Management Express. When you first open the dashboard, you will land on the Overview page, which provides a quick, at-a-glance look at your business's online reputation. Some highlights on this page are the Review Summary, which tells you your current star rating, and the Insights card, which lets you know what keywords your customers are using most often in online reviews. It's important that you connect your Facebook and Google My Business accounts here so the tool can begin pulling in data about your business, such as your online reviews. Let's take a look at the Reviews tab. Customer reviews have a significant impact on your business's reputation and on its bottom line. On this page, you can monitor online reviews from two of the most important online sources, Google and Facebook. When you upgrade to Pro, you will be able to monitor reviews from dozens of industry-specific sites. At a glance, you will see the average aggregate rating of all your reviews. You can also see how you compare to the industry average. The top keyword section is an exciting area to take note of. Through sentiment analysis and machine learning, this tool is able to identify top trending keywords in your review content. It's what your customers are talking about most often. If they're mentioned positively, they will be green, and if negative, they will be red. But more on that later. One of the most important ways to use this tool is to start responding to your reviews. Recognizing customer feedback, both good and bad, is an excellent marketing opportunity for your business. If you don't know what to say, utilize the recommended responses below. Each of these responses was selected based on the review content, so you can provide an appropriate response in just a couple clicks. Feel free to edit the content right in the text field before responding. Your response will automatically be posted to Facebook or Google. Now for the Review Display Widget sub-tab. This is where you go to set up a review display widget that will display your best reviews from Facebook and Google right on your website. It's a great way to show off your best reviews, and once you've edited it how you like, the embed code here makes it easy to add it to your website. Under the Statistics sub-tab, you'll be able to see your business reviews showcased over time. Understand points in time where you were receiving bad reviews or no reviews at all. Even check out the average response time graph, which shows just how efficiently you and your team are responding to customer feedback. The Insights tab houses tons of powerful data and gives you a deeper look into what your customers are saying about you online. Using artificial intelligence, all your reviews from the last 3 years will be run through a sentiment analysis tool. What that does is pull out top trending keywords in your online reviews and colors them red or green based on whether they're primarily used positively or negatively. Click on one of the trending keywords to see how it has changed in positive or negative sentiment over time. Here you can see how your customers describe that keyword. For example, customer service has been described as friendly and awful in 2 online reviews. Once you click on the descriptive word, you can see the exact review where it came from. Use this insight to understand more about what your customers love about your business and also ways that you can improve. Now for listings. In Reputation Management Express, you will be able to monitor your listings on Google My Business and Facebook. Upgrade to Pro to monitor dozens of other listings that your business should be found on. It is important to ensure that your business is listed on as many relevant listing sources as possible. We're matching the sites with the information provided in the section here. If there are errors in the business information, click Edit to make changes. A red X indicates your listing was not found. A yellow triangle means the listing was found with possible errors. To correct or claim a listing, click this drop-down, then View to edit your listing on the source itself. Citations is a Pro feature only. On this page, you would see all the websites, typically smaller and hyper-local industry-specific sites that display your business's name and phone number. That's called a citation. It's important that you monitor all the places where your business name and phone number are listed so you can ensure it is accurate and trustworthy for future customers to find. Listing statistics is also a Pro feature only. On this page, you would see an overview of your listing accuracy over time. When you upgrade to Pro, we will be monitoring many more sources for listing accuracy, making this page a valuable spot to check out. The Competition tab, only available on Pro, is the place to keep up with competitors. Here you can monitor your business's presence on search engines and compare it with your competitors. You can also benchmark your social media audience against that of your competitors. This information lets you know whether your customers are finding your business instead of the competition. When you upgrade to Pro, you will have access to the Mentions tab. Mentions monitoring is an important part of managing your online reputation that should not be overlooked. This feature allows you to discover what people are saying about your business or your industry across the web. The Social tab, which is unlocked when you upgrade to Pro, is where you can monitor likes and followers over time. The Settings tab is located at the very bottom of your sidebar. If you're missing information on your dashboard or you don't see something you saw in this video, it is likely not yet configured in your settings. Head to this tab to connect your Facebook and Google My Business accounts and customize settings for the review display widget. When you upgrade to Pro, the response template setting will open up, allowing you to edit, delete, and customize as many review response templates as you'd like. And that's all there is to it. Start taking control of the online conversation, and when you're ready for even more features, click Get Pro to upgrade. Enjoy logging in to your reputation dashboard each day to monitor your business's online presence.